Alright, today's March 16th or whatever. I'm just beachcombing today with box stick. Watered up, but I'm walking Scoots boxes. We had a lot of rain, with a lot of sand, but there you have it. Just regular quarter laying on top. Well, I've seen little bits and pieces of trash and stuff, so oh well, we'll keep looking. Nails, bigger iron, bigger nails. Alright, all tough. Alright, we're out beach trolling today, and yeah, found a couple little odds and ends here. Just sprinkle a little bit. Let's see, where's this other thing at? But I don't know if you can see it there. There's two coins laying out there in the water. The other little thing I found, I'm assuming that must have been a pencil attached down here. I'm not sure if this is silver or what, so I'll look into that when I get to the house. Alright, let's fish out these two coins. You can see there's one here. Looks like a dime. It's just a penny. Alright, let's see if we can snag that quarter. I'm almost sure that's a quarter. I didn't walk all the way down here last time when the water was low. Metal detecting, I should have. Huh. Not sure what that is. Might be a Liberty. Maybe a V-nickel. So it looks like. Yeah. Yeah, there it is. It's a V-nickel. You can see the V there on the back. I'll be damned. A new penny and a V-nickel. I don't think we're going to be able to get a date off of it, but alright. We'll clean it up some more when we get back to the house. Awesome. Alright. Oh, there's something laying there. Alright, well, we'll get back with you. Alright, I took a few steps. I think there's the quarter right there that I was looking for. Maybe it'll be a token or something. Or maybe another V-nickel or a buffalo. That's pretty green. Yeah, it's pretty green. Yep, just a regular quarter. Alright, this is end of March here. I just found those Chuck E. Cheese looking tokens, but it says Wednesday Company on there. It has the no cash value on that side, so it's kind of unusual. Alright, see, we're back today. Water's up a little bit, but I'll work my way down the stretch a little farther. I just kind of got some clad and nothing special yet, so alright, we'll get with this all tough. Alright, we're off the water. We're at an old park. I'm tired of playing in the water and in the sand, but the first decent signal, and we got an Indian head. Second Indian head of the year. Got a lot of wear on it, so hopefully it's an older one. It is too. It's 1864. Haha. Alright. I beat out the 1875 I just got the other day. Sweet. Got a nice penny here. Alright, into the pouch, on to the next. Good find, good find. Alright, that's kind of a pretty deep hole, but check that bad boy out. 1903 dog tax Chillicothe. It says 76 on there, I believe. We'll get that cleaned up. It's a pretty good find there. That might be one of my oldest ones I've ever found, so. Alright, we'll get back with you. It's all tough. But at an old park that I've hit hard, so I'm surprised I've even gotten 2 good finds already. Alright, we'll get back with you. Ground conditions are pretty good, a lot of rain. Alright, just kick back the plug and we got another Indian. This one looks like it's got some real good details. Looks like a 1905. Oh yeah, this thing's got full liberty on there. Alright, we'll take it. Some better shots when we get her cleaned up when we get home here. Alright, it's all tough. Let's see what we can dig up next. Alright, just dug a third Indian. This one looks to be 1895. Let's clean up a little bit more when we get home. Alright, it's all tough. Alright, good little bang of signal here, and just got our first silver of the day. Looks like it's gonna be a Merc 24. Alright, a good banging little signal there. I mean, it's a few inches deep, so. Put that in the pouch. Alright, just a wrap up from today's hunt. And just got some couple pennies, dime, nickel, quarters on the surface. There's that weird Wednesday company token. I can't get much detail off of there. But nothing spectacular there. A little porcelain doll arm. A little red marble I found, so that's some dirt on there. It's a beauty. Weights. A little one here. Not a whole lot of trash. Full UMC in stamps, new club and a nitro. We got the 1903 dog tax Chillicothe there. 1905, 1895, 1864. That's the oldest coin this year. Not too bad of shape. 1905 is pretty nice. Got full liberty on there. I like them like that. 1895 is a little rough. 24S Merc dime. Huh. A little red spot there. Never noticed that before. Yeah, 1923, I believe. 41, 30. Although, do bad hunting, so I'm not sure about this here. I mean, I've seen aluminum, and I mean, it didn't even stick here to the rust. I mean, it almost looks like it's tarnished silver. It doesn't stick to a magnet. So, I'm not really sure. I have to think about that. I mean, it's got that soft feel too, like it's silver. I mean, it could be. I mean, it's tarnished the right way. Oh well, this is all tough, and best to everybody, and hope everybody enjoyed my hunts today, and well, until next time, it's all tough.